I want you to understand this. And I want you to listen to the things of the Spirit. Understand everything of the Spirit. Look for information for the things of the Spirit. Look for information for the things of the Spirit. Whatever was stolen from you shall be restored in your life. I want to tell you something. The devil is seeking for who to destroy. But I tell you, fellow brother and sister, oh brano elegra caliente, you are not amongst for the least of those who are to be devoured by the devil. I want you to listen to me carefully. Oh la grabade. As the gospel continues to say, for this very reason, make every effort supplement your faith with virtue, and virtue with self-control, and self-control with steadfastness, and steadfastness with godliness, and godliness with brotherly affection, and brotherly affection with love. I want you to understand these things. For the Spirit of the Lord want to be with us, and the Spirit of the Lord wants us to be free, not in bondage or in custody of the evil one. Our life shall never be the same if we believe in the gospel and if we have faith. Don't you want to be like Abraham? Don't you want to be like Enoch? The people which the Bible itself is testified about their faith. The Bible itself has testified about their faith. Don't you want to be part and parcel of the things of the Spirit? Don't you want to be a partaker of the things of heaven? I want you to open your mind and start looking for wisdom. I want you to open your mind and start looking for things, information, for wisdom, so that your name will be justified, so that your name be amongst those who are called of faith. Brothers and sisters, we might wonder, why are we not growing in the Spirit? It's because we are not giving ourselves full time on the things of the Spirit. We were born to do this. We were born to do this. But because we doesn't have the faith, because we do not believe, we convince ourselves that we believe, whilst we know that we don't believe. My brothers and my sisters, I come to you and I challenge you that you understand the things of the Spirit and look for the information how you grow in the Spirit. Let you admire the prophets that are written in the books and say, one day I will be like Jeremiah or Elisha. Oh, take note of everything that was written in the book. For do not let this book of the Lord depart from your mouth, but let this be you, and let the gospel be you. Let yourself live the gospel, and let your heart allow you to live the gospel. Let your heart allow you to live the truth. My fellows, we say under the sun nobody is perfect. But I tell you, if you live and believe in the Lord, you will be perfect in all ways, and you will excel in every corner of your life. I want you, brothers and sisters, I want you, mothers and fathers, to understand this. The Spirit of the Lord was sent forth unto this earth to guide us. Just let it operate in your life. Oh, Gladish. Let the Spirit operate in your life. Let the Lord fill you. Let you be a partaker of the kingdom. Oh, Grabale Gremoshishkete. For the books of Revelation continues to say, I see a new Jerusalem. Ale Braje Glamoshishkete. Oh, a beautiful home that will be established only for you. and only by faith you will reach. And let your faith be supplemented. Agrabade. Oh, je blamo shiskete. Let your faith be supplemented with godliness. And let your faith be supplemented with this brotherly affection. And the brotherly affection with love. With all these things. Let the Lord be in your life. Let him speak. Let him speak in your life. Allow him to demonstrate his power in your life. Allow him to rule over you. Allow him to participate. Allow him to participate in your life. I tell you, your life shall never be the same. Every problem that you're facing today, any calamity that you're facing today, I'm telling you, by his blood. We were sanctified by his blood. And only by his blood, all our satisfaction, oh, aglabade Moses kete, lebrano alukrade. All the things that we want in life. The zeal we have for greatness. If we could turn it and desire the things of the Spirit. If we can turn it and focus on things that pay off. Yes, we are on Facebook. Yes, we are on Twitter, Instagram. But if we could change our focus and use Instagram as a weapon to conquer the devil, and use Facebook as a weapon so that we succeed, it will be a generation of wonders, and the Lord will be proud of his servants. Brothers and sisters, let us believe and have faith in the one who suffered the pain, the one who suffered the pain for your gain, the one who suffered the pain so that you break out of chains, the one who suffered the pain so that you amaze and be amazed, the one who sowed a seed of greatness inside you. He did everything for you. It's time for you to turn your backs from evil and focus on the one that gives the life. Thank you.